Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create API token here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating API token is a straightforward process that provides several benefits and enables various integrations and automations within your Jira environment. Because for automate repetitive tasks such as creating, updating, or closing issues based on predefined rules or triggers, an API token is a very handy tool. Now, for you to be able to do that, all you're going to do is hover to the upper right corner and click on the Manage Account. Now, from here, all you have to do is hover down below where you can find the... Now, I need you to go to the Security tab on the top right upper corner. And then you would be able to have the API tokens available here. As you can see, a script or other process can use an API token to perform basic authentication with Jira Cloud. All you have to do is click this small button here that says Create and Manage API Tokens. Now, you see, your API tokens needs to be treated as securely as any other password. You can only create a maximum of 25 tokens at a time. So you have to remember that and be aware of it. If you don't, I assume that I don't have any API tokens yet, so we're going to click this small button and choose a label that is short, memorable, and easy for you. How about this one? And make sure you copy your new API token. You won't be able to see this token again. Just click on copy, and that's that. All right. Now, API token is a handy tool wherein it helps in the interactions to validate data consistency across Jira and other systems. You can implement error handling and reporting and to ensure data integrity and address issues promptly. And I believe that using API tokens provide controlled access to Jira for specific integrations or services. That means it could minimize security risks compared to other user credentials. And of course, regularly rotating API tokens to enhance security and reduce the risk of unauthorized access, making API token essential for automating processes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.